Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to stabilize videos in CapCut PC. So let's get started real quick. So as you can see, we have imported a video. So let's just play it and have a look before after. So as you can see, this video is shaking like lots of shakes over there. So if we just want to stabilize this video, so what you can do is simply just select this video like this and scroll it down until you see the stabilize option. Just select this option by tapping on the show button right over here, and then as you can see, applying a stabilizer. So it will be applying the stabilizer. If you need actual stabilization like a lot, then you should go with the most stable option. Otherwise you can just simply go with the minimal cut, but I will be recommend as select as the recommended. So let's get started. Let's see if it works or not. So as you can see, the movement has been quite stabilized, guys. So if you just go and select the most stable, so it will be most stable, like no movement at all. Okay, the stabilizer is now more stable. So like this. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.